If your legs have been feeling weak, shaky, or crampy lately, it might not be age. It could be a nutrient deficiency silently draining your muscle strength. In fact, your leg muscles can lose up to 10% of their strength in just 2 weeks without the right support. And that loss isn't always reversible. So what's missing? Here are 3 essential nutrients your body needs to keep legs strong and stable. Yet most people over 60 aren't getting enough. Vitamin B12, crucial for nerve health. Low levels can make your legs feel unsteady, weak, or numb. Natural sources: eggs, chicken, and plain yogurt. Vitamin D, vital for muscle function and balance. Just 10 minutes of gentle morning sun, plus some fortified milk or salmon, can help restore what your body stops producing with age. Magnesium, the mineral your muscles rely on to relax and prevent cramps. Add pumpkin seeds, spinach, or almonds to your meals daily. Even if you eat relatively healthy, your body's ability to absorb these nutrients declines with age, especially if you're on common medications. But here's the good news: it's not too late. Just a few simple changes can support stronger legs, better balance, and more confident movement, starting today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't neglect your health.